Welcome back to craft time. Today we will be making amazing, colorful handprint birds. Are you ready?
Yes.
Stay tuned to learn some amazing facts about the birds and see how our handprints turn out. Let's go!
So you will need some white card for the handprints, different colors of paint. Today we will be using yellow, red, purple, orange, and green. A pair of scissors, some craft glue, some white paper, a pen, pencil, color pencils, marker, and an eraser. A tree branch template and some googly eyes if you want to make your bird look funny and exciting. Now let's get started with this easy, fun bird craft. Step 1. Trace your child's hand. Make as many handprints as needed so we can make a few birds. Today we will be making 4 birds, so we will need about 10 to 12 handprints. Did you know that most birds like to eat fruit, plants, seeds, insects, and other small animals? Step 2. Now that you have drawn the handprints, cut them out. Please remember to be careful. Step 3. Paint the handprints using different colors and allow them to dry completely. Step 4. Draw a few pictures of a bird's body, excluding the feathers, which means don't draw the feathers, only the outline of the body and the beak. Birds have 2 eyes, 2 wings, and 2 legs. Birds also have a beak. Step 5. Now you can use your scissors and cut out the birds. Please be careful. Step 6. If you want to make your birds more interesting and fun, you can use the glue and attach the googly eyes. If you don't have eyes to attach to the birds, you can use the marker to draw eyes on each bird. Step 7. Now we can use our color pencils and color in the birds. Many different colors. The more colorful, the better. Step 8. Using the glue, you can attach a few of the handprints to each bird. These handprints will be the feathers. Birds don't have fur. They have feathers. Step 9. To make a tree template, you can use any cardboard, any box to draw a big tree and then cut it out. We will use this tree to place our birds onto the branches when we are finished. This is the last step. Now you can attach the birds to the tree branches. Wow! Doesn't that look amazing?
Wow, that's cool. Ah, yeah, bluebirds.
Wow, we are all done. Did you enjoy that?
Yes.
I think my favorite bird is the red, yellow and purple bird. Which bird do you like? What color is that?
Purple
The purple and the?
and the blue.
And the blue bird. You can play. We are finished now. We hope you enjoyed making our beautiful handprint birds with us. Don't forget to like our channel and subscribe. And we will see you soon for more craft videos. Goodbye.
Bye.